everyone and welcome. We have this Mercedes-Benz E-Class which is come in for a complaint for a lot of suspension noise and lot of humming noise when running. So on inspecting the car, we found that the front suspension needs to be replaced as well as the back shocks and along with the front wheel bearing. So I'm going to explain to you what all parts are going to get replaced. So these are all the components of the front suspension as well as the back shocks. This is the front struts which has the shock absorber inbuilt. These are the back shocks. These are the front lower arms, the ball joints, the link rods and the other arms which are required.